In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Figma to Vscode in 2025. This full tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you'll be integrating these tools seamlessly to enhance your design and development workflow. Let's start by heading over to Figma's website, your go-to platform for collaborative interface design. Once you're there, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of your screen. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to access your workspace effortlessly. For those who are new, follow the prompt to create an account, ensuring you leverage all the collaborative tools Figma offers. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself at the home screen. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to easily locate your ongoing projects and shared files. As you explore, click on the Design section. This area is where your creative ideas take form and evolve into full-fledged designs ready for collaboration. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not yet accustomed to navigating Figma. Now let's delve into the action phase by clicking Action. This tab is crucial as it provides various interactive options to further engage with your projects. Here you'll be searching for a tool that's central to our tutorial, Figma to Code. Type Figma to Code into the search bar. This tool is a game changer for designers and developers alike, streamlining the transition from design to a coding environment. Once the search results populate, click on the Figma to Code tool. It bridges the gap between your design intentions and coding implementations, enabling you to export your Figma designs directly into a format suitable for VS Code. This integration is particularly beneficial if you're looking to maintain design consistency while developing your application or website. If you're new to integrating these platforms, take a moment to explore the features available through Figma to Code. It's a powerful tool designed to optimize your workflow by translating design elements into clean, readable code. This process not only saves time but also ensures a higher degree of accuracy in replicating your designs in code. With the Figma to Code setup ready, you're well on your way to connecting your preferred design tool, Figma, with the robust coding environment of VS Code. This integration facilitates a seamless transition from visual design to functional code, making collaboration between designers and developers more efficient. It's a crucial step in modern software development where teams strive for harmony between design and functionality. Now that you've linked Figma to VS Code, you have opened up a world of possibilities to refine and develop your projects with precision. Happy designing and coding, and thank you for watching this tutorial on how to harness the power of these tools together.